Shahnaz giggled. "Why do you put so much oil in your hair?" she asked rudely. Here giggling means laugh lightly or and repeatedly in a silly way. Malti looked offended but did not reply. She now understood the behavior of these children, Shahnaz, Rima and her friends. "And the skirt too long," said Claire cattily. Here cattily means in a way that is unkind, not expected. Malti flushed. Malti became red and hot. If someone teases you without any reason, you normally become angry. In the same way, Malti also became angry and became red and hot. She was about to say something when teacher entered. She wanted to say something, but that time suddenly teacher entered. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. Means every time when teacher asked question, Malti raised her hand. Means she knew the answer very well. "Yes, yes, Malti, you answer," said teacher. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. Teacher praised her. When we give correct answers, teachers always appreciate you. When Rima recounted means retold this at home, her mother said, "Sounds like a clever girl." "What is the use?" said Rima uncharitably. Here uncharitably means unkindly or unfairly. Her English is so atrocious. Atrocious means of a very poor quality or bad. Means English differs from region to region. Pronunciation. You know, American English, British English, Italian English, Indian English. The variation may differ from region to region. Slight variation in pronunciation we can see. The same may be said of your Hindi. Her father, Mr. Sen, said, "The same may be said of your Hindi. You are also weak in Hindi." He countered Mr. Sen sharply. His Rima's father countered or argued with her. He told firmly that Rima's Hindi is not good. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Means the behavior of Rima was against the wish of Rima's parents. Even Mrs. Sen did not like it. Mrs. Sen means Rima's mother did not like it. That night Rima's parents discussed the matter. "We put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident." The intention of putting the student or Rima into good school is to make her smart and confident. "I am afraid she is turning into a little snob." Here snob means considered herself to be better than the other. That means some students consider that we are always superior, we are always better than others. The following Saturday was the inter-house singing competition. As inter-house means a singing competition was held in the school. Rima, who was participated in the English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category. "Oily plates sings also," she said snidely to Claire. That means Malti was doing better. She was participating in the competition and this was not expected from Rima. So she comments, "Croaks you mean," giggled Claire. They were to be proved wrong. They were to be both Rima and Claire be wrong, and against their expectations, Malti won the prize in the singing competition in Hindi song category. Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. Rima and her gang had decided her to jeer when Malti sang. Here jeer means make rude remarks. But there was such absolute silence, they did not dare to. They did not try to remark because everyone was silent there. They were sure to get caught. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teachers and students. That means Malti's performance was best. She won the prize. No one was surprised when Malti won the prize. Rima did come first in her category. Rima did come in first in category. Somehow she felt no joy. Why didn't she become happy? Because she did not like Malti's success. As the term progressed, as the days, months went on, it was abundantly clear, it was definitely clear to all that Malti was a bright child. She was quiet, studious and intelligent. She fared well, she excelled well in sports as well as in studies. Her forte was mathematics, means her capacity was, she was good. She was very good in mathematics. Her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. Here, nimble means able to think and understand quickly. Able to think and understand quickly. Here, belied means fail to give a true impression. By outward appearance, one cannot identify that Malati is a clever, intelligent girl. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics, help which she readily and cheerfully gave. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. Now girls from the class also befriended her. Here befriended means became friends with her. Not Rima and her clique though. Even though Rima and her gang did not accept her as her friends, other students in the class, they cooperated with her. They behaved well with Malti. They stubbornly disliked Malti. Here stubbornly means did not want to change their attitude or position. Means they don't, Rima and her friends, they were not ready to accept Malati's progress. They were a stylish lot and nothing that Malti did could alter the fact that she was not their type. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. Here, mainly poke fun. Poke fun means here teasing at her, particularly her English. Actually, Rima and her friends wanted to judge students or friends through their outward appearance. And that is not definitely expected in our day-to-day life. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day, she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said ask instead of ask. Here, verge means an extreme limit beyond which something specified will happen. Her voice trembling, Malti said, I know my English is weak. Yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Here, exaggerated means magnified. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified types. Here, countrified means people belonging to rural area. Normally, what happens, there is a understanding that students of city area are clever, intelligent. Rural area don't get that much facilities which the city students get. But we should not think like that, because many students from rural area study hard even though they have many problems, and they excel in their respective fields. They also score good marks. Malti's face turned red, means she became very angry. She wanted to retort but could not find the right words. She burst into tears and ran off. Actually, he wanted to counter Rima, but she could not able to find right words. She began to cry and ran off. That was horrid, Rima, said Shahnaz. Yes, agreed Neha and Claire roundly. Here, roundly means in an emphatic manner. Actually, her own friends, whose Rima's friends, Shahnaz, Neha, and Claire, turned against her. Rima was shocked. Her own friends had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. In a huff means in a bad mood. Mrs. Sen found her subdued over lunch but decided not to ask anything. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. She was too proud to admit it even to herself. Even at the end, if you consider, Rima was not ready to change her behavior. This is an extract from the story Odd One In. Can you imagine what happened next in this story of Rima and Malti? Now you imagine yourself and try to continue the story and make this story very interesting.